I don't like this. I don't like it.
We're working together. What are we doing?
It's literally melting the blade. Almost there. Smoking! Why is that? Because it's galvanized? Yeah. I was gonna say, I'm feeling a little loopy. Didn't even have enough time to press record, bro. These guys had it down in no time. I don't know if I could work for you, bro. I'm too sensitive. You're too sensitive. No, just kidding. Ooh! Tell you.
One of the next things we want to be doing is looking into installing our cabinetry. So this will be an open shelf. It's over top the sink. We have a gigantic sink that'll be going here.
I'm thinking cut these down to sit like this. It's here. And continue that to the back of the bus. We'll round this corner with jigsaw.
Oh, okay.
It's dope. Right now it can probably hold like, I don't know. I mean, it's each weld is 20,000 pounds an inch. Man, it's freaking awesome. And we could survive with just the AC unit on here, I bet. But if we want to put that water barrel up here, I think we're gonna need to put a little support, at least on one side. Basically, this metal here, or the existing metal from the bus, kept it attached to the bumper. Because when I was down there, I saw that these legs stick out of it, and all we had to do was attach these legs to the end of the chassis. So it had a little metal plate here. We unbolted this plate and then just pulled it out.
It used to be bolted just like further back.
Right, it actually was bolted all the way back behind this tent, if you can see. See that?
Oh yeah.
That's where it was. So this, that got us all of this room, obviously, and then, you know, we put this on and put these two bolts in, and it was like, ooh, it was wobbly. You probably could stand on it, but it wouldn't have been good. So we attached these angled pieces of metal to, you know, support it. Obviously, every angle is a lot stronger, and eventually we want to have more supports, but for now, this is perfect. It's not going anywhere. This is what we'll screw the wood to. I love it.
So
it looks so good.
Oh, okay.
It really does.
They're having some issues over there. So oh my god. All we have to do is use some powder coated metal to fill in those gaps. I'm not quite sure how you're gonna do that and make it look.
I'll show you.
Okay. Very cool. That's plexiglass. I'd like to kind of create a cage that hangs underneath like that and then comes up so that you can just lift that part of the floor and then store some things underneath. We didn't want it to be like if we were going uphill or something. We're gonna put our AC condenser to sit right on the edge here so that the lights are available. However, we're probably gonna move the license plate to the edge of this bumper. And then over here, Sean really wants to do a rain barrel, or just like if you need a hose, we might hook up a hose to it.
Yeah, I would like it for the plants too.
Right.
But I don't think you're supposed to drink it.
No.
I don't like this. I don't like it.
Well,
This is not easy to do, and I wish we did it differently. So maybe we will.
what do you mean you wish we did it differently? How else would we do it?
I'm not sure. I don't know. The Gus Bus, they did it like more measurements rather than a jig, and theirs came out really well. So I don't know. Let's see what it looks like. Let us see.
You hear that, Meredith and Paco? He thinks you guys did it better.
You did it better.
We're working together. What are we doing?
So I'm gonna give you this, and you're gonna need to write down the measurements.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in 3-inch increments, and start at the front here. So the first one is gonna be 6.5. It's gonna be 12 and a quarter.
Are you asking me or telling me?
12 and a quarter. La 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 la. Next is 13 and a quarter. 14 and a quarter. Having not survived.
So, what are you doing? You're going at every inch,
Every 3
and then
inches.
every 3 inches, and then measuring up. Good one. Hey, what do you say? Do you want me to do that?
Yeah, I do. You wouldn't happen to be doing things today, would you? Oh, okay. I would do your best to like round it out a little bit. So much stuff in here. It's amazing.
Looks pretty good.